Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Chef Anthony is going to rejoin us here a little bit later as he takes us back to New Orleans with these fantastic beignets. So right now, we're going to take you on a trip to the Amish country, York, Pennsylvania, with the Joplin Little Theater, and we've got the director and so cast member here with us this morning. Welcome to the show. Thanks for coming in this morning. So tell us a little bit what's going on.
So we are putting on the show Leading Ladies by Ken Ludwig at JLT. Ken Ludwig is known for his kind of insane comedic, hijinks and things like that. But the show is really such a gem, and I'm so happy to be able to bring it to JLT. So.
Hey, what made it one that you wanted to bring down here to the JLT?
So I actually did the show for the first time back in 2015 in high school. I did costumes for it, and it's just such a great script. It's a small cast, but that's what makes it so good. You know what I mean? It's very tight knit. It's very much like everybody's kind of got to be on all the time. The nice thing is that even though it's called Leading Ladies, there really isn't a leading lady. Everyone is very much an ensemble cast, and they all make the story come to life. And it's also just funny. It's a good time for everybody. It'll make everybody laugh. There's all kinds of jokes for all ages. So.
Gotcha. And what's it like for you to be able to participate in this and be able to help bring this down here?
Well, this is one of the most fun productions I've ever gotten to be a part of. The classic comedy, of course, the drag comedy, is very, very well known throughout a lot of theater, and to be able to express that and be able to bring that kind of comedy to the stage, that is something that has just been so much fun for not only the people doing it, but for everyone in the cast as well.
And what are you looking forward to the most about being able to bring this production here and put this on for folks?
It's one of the same things with every show, is that I cannot wait to hear the audience laughter. There's going to be plenty of it.
Right,
Yes.
perfect. And so this is coming up here before too much longer. When's this at? What do people need to know if they want to go?
So the show opens next week. It'll run March 15th through the 18th at 7:30 and March 19th with a 2:30 show. It'll be at Joplin Little Theater, so you can get your tickets at joplinlittletheater.org, or you can purchase them by calling the box office over the phone.
Perfect. And have you guys had people buying tickets already?
Oh yeah, their ticket sales are going really well, but we're always, the more the merrier. So I think that this is a show that everybody's going to want to see. It's such a good time, and like I said, I think it'll be good for everybody that comes to see it. All ages will enjoy it.
It certainly sounds like a very exciting show, and people need to laugh sometimes. Seems like the perfect opportunity to do so. Well, thank you both so much for coming in this morning, and of course, we'll have all this information on our website at koamnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more right after this.